How to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router. Step 1. Connect to the router, open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. This connects you to the router's interface. Step 2. Log into router interface, enter the default username, admin, and password, admin, or use your custom credentials to access the settings. Step 3. Go to Wireless Settings, navigate to Wireless or Wireless Settings in the menu, usually on the left-hand side. Step 4. Select Wireless Security, click on Wireless Security to access the password settings for your Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Change the password, locate the password or pre-shared key field, enter your new password, and make sure it is strong and memorable. Step 6. Save settings, click Save or Apply to confirm the changes. This updates the router with your new password. Step 7. Reconnect devices. Reconnect all devices using the new Wi-Fi password to regain internet access. Step 8. Restart router. If needed, some changes may require a router reboot, which you can do via the System Tools menu or by unplugging and replugging the power.